So this is how to fix the Ark Survival Evolved fatal error issue. Make sure to follow exactly my methods. For the first one, you just need to go to the Windows taskbar, right click and then select Task Manager. Now, once this pop up, you just need to go to the search and type in your launcher, whether it's Steam or Epic Games. If you do find it running for some reason, make sure to select it, right click and then select End Task. Ensure that no launcher or game is running in the background. For the next step, go to the Windows taskbar and select this upside arrow. You need to ensure that the icon of the launcher is not appearing right here. So if you do find it, make sure to right click and then select Exit. Now try running and launching the game and see if it works. If not, for the next method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. If you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, this NVIDIA app will be appearing. If it's not for some reason, go to the official website and download it from there. Otherwise, you have probably an AMD graphics card, so make sure to open their app alternatively. Once done, this will pop up, so select Close. After that, make sure to sign up and log in with the correct information and go to the left menu and select Drivers. Now you will find the uninstall or download button appearing right here, so make sure to click it in order to initiate the process of updating your graphics card driver. Once done, go to the settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay from here, like this. After that, close that, go to the search for the next method, and then look for Device Manager. Now this will pop up, so go to Display Adapters and then select NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, and do not select the Intel or Ryzen integrated graphics card right here. Right click, select the first option. After that, select the first option too and click Close. Now for the next method, go to the search and type in Settings. You'd be redirected to right here, so all you have to do, go to the Windows Update and make sure to install the latest available updates you will find by selecting the download or install button. Even the failed updates, you need to select Retry All. Make sure to not let any pending updates available in order to prevent any issue. If you are stuck on a loop, just go to Update History and then deselect the first two. Go to Uninstall Updates. You can from here uninstall any update that you think it is responsible for the failed updates. Otherwise, go back, go to Recovery, and then you can just select Reinstall Now. Now go to the search and type in Services. This window will appear, so select any service and then type in W in your keyboard. Now look for Windows Update, double click on it. After that, make sure to switch the startup type from manual to automatic, and make sure to put the service status from stopping to running by selecting on the Start button. After that, select Apply and OK. Now for the next method, go open the launcher that you did terminate the last session. You will be automatically redirected to the store, so go to the View option. After that, go to the library where you have the games on. Now look for the game, which is Ark Survival Evolved. You need to have it installed. I don't have it right now, so I'm going to show you using another app, which is, for example, like this. When you select Ark, you'll find this manage or gear icon appearing in the right, so select it and then go to Properties. Now from here, you just need to go to the launch options and type in this prompt, which is -dx11. Once you do that, now go to Installed Files and just select this button right here, which is Verify Integrity of Game Files. By that, you are going to let the system verify the original files of the game, and any missing file that is possibly responsible for the crashing issue will be restored. So as you can see here, files are successfully validated. You can close that and then you can try relaunching the game again. If it didn't work, go to the Windows icon and try resetting the computer and try again. If you found it helpful, consider the like button and subscribe, and see you on the next one.